Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get white canvas shoes white again. Start by removing the laces and gently brushing off any loose dirt or debris from your canvas shoes. This prepares them for a deeper clean. Next, create a powerful whitening paste. Combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1/2 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide, and 1/2 tablespoon of water. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until you have a consistent, spreadable paste. This mixture is key to restoring their bright white appearance. With your paste ready, take an old toothbrush and generously apply the mixture to all canvas areas of your shoes. Make sure to work it into any stubborn stains or discolored spots. Don't be shy. A thorough application is crucial for the best results. Once fully coated, find a sunny spot and let your shoes air dry completely. Direct sunlight helps activate the whitening agents, enhancing their effectiveness. After your shoes are completely dry, you'll notice a powdery residue. Gently clap the shoes together to loosen and remove most of the dried paste. Then, use cool, clean water to rinse off any remaining residue, ensuring the canvas is free of the cleaning mixture. Inspect your shoes. If any stubborn stains persist, you can repeat the entire process for an even brighter finish. To keep your canvas shoes looking pristine, address new marks promptly with a damp cloth and a small amount of mild soap. Try to avoid wearing them in excessively dirty or muddy environments. When not in use, store your shoes in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, which can cause yellowing over time. Following these simple steps will help maintain their brilliant white for longer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.